Hi, Miss Halaya.
Hi.
You're having haircut and color po?
Opo.
Sige. All natural dark to?
Opo. I
Okay.
have dyed it before, but I think it all grew out.
Like dark brown?
It was like red, like burgundy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, wala na siya.
Um.
It's all
So
gone na.
yeah, it's all done.
Okay, you have
Sorry about
specific length po ba for the haircut?
Like long layers. I
Keep
want to
the
keep
length?
it long. Yeah,
Okay.
keep it long,
Long layer.
layers, and like a little bit of a curtain
Framing.
bang. Yeah.
Okay.
Opo.
And then, how about color? You have specific for color?
I have picture po.
Nice
I
po.
wanted to do something since my hair texture is like wavy,
Mm-mm.
so like kind of like highlights to bring out like the dimension.
Okay.
Or like something like,
Like,
lighter brown, or like something that can look like
we
doesn't
need to
have
bleach
be
your hair.
need to bleach
Yeah, it's a
po
bleach, this one.
for this one po.
Yeah. And then the other one,
And
maybe
then
the
the
first.
other one, like
Yeah.
one of this.
Yeah. So,
Is this
you
bleach
prefer
too?
ba may bleach or wala?
It doesn't matter. Whatever,
Okay.
like to
But
get
no
the.
bleach kasi, very subtle. May bleach naman, medyo high maintenance. Anong prefer mo sa dalawa?
Like I have to come back.
Yeah,
with
every
bleach?
after
okay.
1 month, you need to tone down na naman.
Oh, okay. Then no bleach.
No
then.
bleach.
Yeah, no bleach.
Try ko mas lighter, more on
Yeah,
rich
lighter.
brown.
Opo.
Then keep your natural dark.
Opo. And can you still do like highlights
Yes,
po?
yeah. Okay. Sige. Sino dito? Si Glyda. Si Glyda po, siya yung maglalagay ng color, mixing ng color, ako na. Okay, sige. Maybe shampoo first muna.
Opo.
Ha? Sige.
Okay.
Okay, go Glyda.
Okay.
Yeah. Nag-change lang tayo ng color. Instead of brown, nasa more on copper side, copper brown.
Oh my
diba?
god, I love it.
Thank
Wow.
you.
Oh
So
my
much
god, this
better
is
doon sa brown
crazy.
compare sa dito ngayon.
Opo. So pretty.
So, mas mai-enhance lalo siya pag may mga natural curl ka. Yeah, yung pinakita mong picture.
Mahal.
Yeah.
Mahal ko.
Thank you.
So pretty. Thank you
Yeah,
po.
ganda.
Ang
Side ka
ganda.
ulit. Yeah. Lots of highlights lang. And then, na-retain lang natin yung mga 20 to 30% natural dark.
Dimension.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. Maybe next time again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, for the
Thank
sure.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.